Hi, welcome to Alamo Sew'n Time. We are so sorry for the problems that we were having earlier. We are broadcasting this for you so you can hear and see us very well. Welcome to the September edition. My name is Nicole. Today we're going to be talking about pumpkins. As we're coming into fall, we wanted to have a little fall special going on, and we kind of took our inspiration from the jack-o'-lanterns, but the little pumpkin candy holders that kids carry around. So we wanted to make a little bowl like that for ourselves. So we made our own little jack-o'-lantern bowl. As you can see, it's got a little happy face, and it's just a cute little decoration to have around the house. So to get started with that, we drew out a little template, as you can see right here, to make that kind of bowl shape. We started off with a smaller top and bottom, kind of made it nice and wide in the middle, just so it could create that curvature that we wanted. From there, we drew it out onto some heavy weight fusible interfacing. We used Pelon 809 Craft and Bond, just kind of gives it a little sturdier feel to it. If you want the bowl to be a little bit sturdier when you're actually making it, you can use 2 layers of this, but just to make it a little bit simpler, we only used 1. So what we did is we started drawing it out onto the fusible interfacing, just kind of took the template one by one. You'll make 8 total for this bowl. From there, you'll iron the fusible interfacing onto the fabric, wrong side, as you can see, so this is the right side of the fabric. Make sure you read the instructions on how to iron on the interfacing, because all the different interfacings have different instructions for that, so make sure you pay attention to that. From there, you will cut out each of the pumpkin pieces, and then you'll start sewing some. So here we have 2 pieces sewn together right here. You'll just line them up right sides together, sew on one side to get the seam. We did a 1/4 inch seam on that, and then from there you'll fold it on out to kind of give it the bowl look, and then you'll iron your seams down. And as something that we did to make it a little bit easier, you'll start at one edge and work your way to the middle, ironing with both sides with the seams open, and you'll work your way to the middle and then rotate it around, and then do the same thing, seams opened and iron to the middle, just so that way it's a little bit easier, since the interfacing has already had that curvature to it, and it kind of a little bit difficult to work with just trying to iron it flat. And then from there, if you want to include the little jack-o'-lantern face like we did, you don't necessarily have to. If you just want to have a clean bowl, pumpkin bowl like that, you're more than welcome to. If you want to do it though, you'll take the 2 pieces and you will attach the eyes and smile to it. We used a little bit of a lighter weight interfacing for that. Just you need something that can iron on easily and be able to do a quick stitch around each of the pieces. And then they'll have your little face on those 2 pieces, like so. And then from there you'll continue all the way around, adding each piece part by part until you have the whole bowl with 8 pieces all the way around. And then from there you will attach the bottom. You'll have a circle that's already drawn out, and you'll draw that onto the interfacing kind of like you did with the other pieces, and then iron onto the fabric. And then from there you'll attach it to the bottom. Now for this part, it's a little bit difficult if you want to try and pin all the way around at one time, just because it's so bulky and all the pins are in the way. You'll start poking yourself. Don't want to mess with that. What you'll want to do actually is just do a 1/4 of the bowl at a time. Make it a little bit easier on yourself, and it's a lot of fabric to work with, so just take it nice and slow, work your way in little segments. You'll do the same, have a 1/4 inch seam all the way around, and then from there, to finish off the bowl on the inside, at the top, you'll do a nice little seam. There should be a little bit of extra fabric kind of you can just fold over, so all the way around to give it that polished look on the outside, sorry. And then you'll have your lovely little bowl, like our little guy right here. So that's our project for the month. We do have a bonus for you guys. Since we did have the technical difficulties, we're going to extend this offer to you. And the kit would normally be about $8, but for the weekend, we're going to be doing, have this special going on all weekend. The kit is normally $8. We're going to be selling it for $1. That's right, $1. What you'll do is go order it online, and at the end of the process, you enter the coupon code PUMPKIN, just like our little guy right here, Pumpkin. We also have another special for you we always offer during the weekend of our broadcast. This weekend we are going to be having 30% off quilt back fabrics. What you'll do is at the end, when you're checking out, enter the coupon code BACK, B-A-C-K. We have some great quilt backs on sale, well, obviously on sale this weekend, but we got quite a few new ones in, and we're loving them so much. They're great, cute, perfect for any type of quilting that you're doing. We also have a bunch of new fabrics in that we just got within the past month. We're absolutely loving them, and if you want to go check them out on our website, alamoquiltshop.com, just go to the What's New page, and there will be all of our new fabrics on there. Some great moderns, some great blenders, everything you can want right now. And also check out our Value Center. It's on our website as well. There's some great fabrics on sale for just above $4 a yard. Some great blenders if you need something for a donation quilt. Great fabrics for that. So if you want to check it out, alamoquiltshop.com, all one word. Thank you for tuning in. Again, we apologize for the technical difficulties that we had this morning. We look forward to seeing you guys next month.